Welcome to this Solid Edge Tips and Tricks video, Synchronous Hole Alignment. As you work, your design evolves, usually starting with key geometry and adding detail as you go. The drawback with this approach is that you do not always know the amount of detail you will end up with. Take aligning holes as an example. You may want to add a hole to an existing series, reposition an existing hole, or correct a mistake on an imported model. Solid Edge with Synchronous technology is able to fix these issues. Here are a couple of options. In the first example, you can add 2D construction geometry, a process that adds steps but provides further control. Create a construction line between two holes of the target series of holes that need to be aligned. Start the line command and hover the mouse over the face that contains the holes. When the face highlights, press F3 or click the lock icon that appears at the cursor to lock the drawing plane. Now, infer the center of the holes to accurately draw the 2D line between them. Add a point along the line to move the hole to. Select the hole and pick the tool plane on the steering wheel. This is the transparent disc at the center of the steering wheel, allowing you to move the hole freely on the plane rather than along an axis. You can select the midpoint if that is your final location, or select a point created on the line. You can also use dimensions for precise control. Alternatively, if you want to quickly reposition the holes, here's another way to align them. Select the hole to be moved, and reposition the steering wheel using its origin to the center of one of the holes already aligned. Reorient the steering wheel by shift-clicking the bearing and select another hole in the target pattern to set the correct orientation. Now shift-click the origin of the steering wheel and move it back to the center of the hole to be moved. Selecting one of the knobs on the torus orients the axis in the direction you want to move. Now, when you drag the hole, it moves along that axis. Simply selecting the center of the target hole moves the hole in the correct location. You may choose any method that suits your workflow, but the steering wheel will always prove to be a powerful tool in your arsenal for geometry creation and modification with equal ease, and let you correct both native and imported data without hassle.